Happy New Year, y'all. I'm Mobankiki, the Kaizen Creative, a freelance illustrator and comic book artist from Columbus, Ohio. It's a new year, and normally I don't really make New Year's resolutions, but I got quite a few this year. And I'd like to share some that pertain to this channel and how I would like to use it going forward as I try my best to succeed creatively. Creative success in my eyes involves being able to create without having to live check to check, with the freedom to travel and create new experiences. First, I want to introduce the concept of Kaizen. Kaizen is a Japanese word that means continuous improvement and involves incremental changes to create a significant impact over time. It focuses on eliminating the things that could jeopardize improvement, and I learned about this concept from my cousin. In 2025, I want to embody what I call the Kaizen Creative. This means I am continually experimenting and improving in my craft, making the necessary changes to make sure I improve my art, storytelling, and business. Mobankiki is the Kaizen Creative. That leads me into the next part. What am I seeking to improve? I want to improve my art business. I plan on doing this by making a character design portfolio and finishing my website setups in terms of the store and what I charge for commissions. I want to make myself known on YouTube so you guys can know who I am and what stories I create. I want to finish the second chapter of my book Asmodeus, start and finish a one-shot, and complete a few art challenges like Inktober too. For my business to get better, I'll also have to improve my art and storytelling. I'll be doing this by studying color theory, perspective, character design, and environment design. I reflect on my art a lot, and I know I could improve these areas to make the dynamic art I truly want to create. I must make memorable characters who are full of cool looking colors and are surrounded by interesting environments. I can improve the storytelling aspect by reading books about storytelling, studying my favorite films and comics, and applying what I learned through one-shots, comics, and storyboards. If I want to work with others, I feel like it would benefit me and the other people if I improve these skills, since I want my audience to get the best quality I can give them. I must continue to experiment and put myself out there in order to accomplish this goal. I want to officially launch my Patreon this year too. Patreon seems like a really cool app that I could use to show the behind the scenes work involving my creative process, and I would like for people to see that. I personally like seeing the behind the scenes footage of different creatives because it puts me in their world, and it only makes sense that I do that for y'all too. I want to give y'all access to my files so you can do your own things with them too. I like to step into more mature art along the way, but this will be a higher tier since I find it more exclusive and it fits a niche that not many would want to view while around others. I want to cater towards a more mature audience on platforms like Patreon, but keep it all safe and cute on platforms like YouTube due to monetization and my need to appeal to a larger audience. YouTube is going to be a big part of my creative journey in 2025. I plan on staying here for good, y'all. I want to get monetized this year and continue to create content that helps others in their creative journey. I'm all ears for video ideas and what you think I should experiment with. I will stay consistent and post at least one video a week. Right now I'm posting 2 to 3 videos a week, but if I want to maintain a consistent uploading time, I have to do 1 to 2 videos a week, preferably on Wednesdays and Fridays around 12 a.m. And if y'all catch me not being consistent, feel free to get on me about it. I'll see your comments for sure. And I want to grow on this platform, and I can't do that without y'all. I appreciate every one of you who stick around and watch my videos, whether you've subscribed yet or not. I want to use less social media in 2025 too. I want to be more focused on my real life than I do my digital life. So I'll have to find the balance between making videos for YouTube, Instagram, and Patreon, and creating while also making new experiences in real life. I'm not sure about y'all, but my screen time is way too high, mostly because of apps like YouTube. I enjoy listening to video essays and entertaining myself, but it's time that I allow my brain the time it needs to process what it needs to process without outside distractions. I want to be more focused and not have such a strong urge to view my phone when I'm bored. Boredom and feeling your feelings is important, and I don't feel like scrolling on my phone and listening to videos and music all the time helps with that at all. It doesn't give my mind the break it really needs, and I feel as if that's a universal truth due to how much social media is part of our daily lives now. I want control of my time, and social media just doesn't provide that for me. Being a creative is a mindset above all things. Everything can be made into inspiration, and I want to cultivate this thinking for myself as I continue this journey. I want to feel inspired by the simple things and be able to tell structured stories at ease. I want to go outside more and touch some grass and feel more in tune with my environment, but more importantly, my life and what I want out of it. I need to be consistent and allow myself the time to grow and carefully analyze my thoughts. 2025 isn't just about being a Kaizen creative. It's about being a Kaizen human being, improving as a person, and continuing to spread love to myself and others, because love is a universal language and is one that all of us can speak. Let's improve our thoughts, how we respond, and how we communicate with others. Let's improve our day-to-day lives one step at a time, meeting ourselves where we currently are and making the decisions that are needed to get to the next level. If you want to continue this creative journey with me, subscribe to my channel and like this video. I appreciate you for staying for the whole video, and I hope you have a great year. Let's make some more memories and continue to help one another so we can all succeed. My name is Mobankiki, the Kaizen Creative, and I would like to know, are you a Kaizen Creative? Leave a comment below and let me know how you feel about this philosophy and what you plan on doing during 2025. Have a wonderful new year and stay hydrated. Mobankiki signing out.